Let's talk about Paycove. With flexible solutions to automate the billing cycle, Paycove helps a wide variety of businesses save time and money. Paycove is an automated solution that integrates with your CRM to accurately and efficiently manage your business's billing process. Getting started is easy, and our team is always happy to help you along the way. In this demo, we'll cover getting started with Paycove, managing your integrations, exporting your data, customizing your email settings as well as other account settings, customizing your templates, scheduling payments and assigning due dates, managing products and subscriptions, adjusting your tax settings, and tracking activity. Let's dive on in. Paycove gathers information from deals in your CRM to create and manage quotes and invoices. Paycove integrates with CRMs such as Hubspot and Pipedrive. To accept payments through Paycove, connect your account to a payment gateway such as Stripe or CardConnect. Paycove also integrates with software such as Xero to further manage your accounting and billing data. Check out our website for a complete list of integrations. Go to paycove.io to begin your free trial or sign up for a Paycove plan. Trials give you access to all the features of the business plan free for 14 days. When signing up, you'll be prompted to connect with one of our integrating systems. You are not required to integrate with the CRM, but I would recommend connecting with these integrations to get the full benefit of your Paycove account. To create a quote or invoice, first create and open a deal. In your CRM settings, you can select the stages at which you'd like Paycove to automatically create a quote, an invoice, or mark an invoice as paid. Simply turn on the sales pipeline configuration, then select which stages in your CRM you would like to trigger actions in Paycove. When you move a deal in the CRM to Create Quote, it will automatically create a quote for you. Now going back to Paycove, if you click Import Deals from CRM, you will see the quote listed in your table. Click on the quote number to view its details inside Paycove, or the deal name to open the deal in your CRM. If you do not want quotes and invoices to generate automatically with the stages in your pipeline, you can create them for individual deals using bookmarklets or the Paycove extension. With Paycove, you can download invoices as a PDF to save for your records or to provide a copy to your customer. In the upper right corner, you can download the specific quote or invoice as a PDF file using any of your saved templates. You can download multiple PDFs at once by using bulk actions in your invoice or quote table. Select which invoices you would like to download, then choose Download PDFs in the Bulk Actions drop-down menu. You may want to export a data table of multiple quotes or invoices for either record keeping or analysis. In the upper right corner of your invoice table, you will see an export option. Choose the file type and select Export to download the file. Paycove can be set to send your customers notifications of their quotes and invoices via email. To configure your emails, open your settings in Paycove and click Email. Under Email Address Settings, you can change the name the email is sent from. If there's someone on your team you want to receive these emails, you can choose a CC recipient. All of these emails will be sent from noreply@paycove.io. If you'd like to use your own email domain, send us a message over chat or email and we can help you get that set up. Typically, the first email your customer will receive is when a new quote is available to view. The email will attach a link to the quote for the customer to either accept or decline. If you scroll down to the quote template, you'll see you can edit the subject line of the email and type in your own personalized message in the body. You can even add template variables on the email, which you can find readily available under Personalize. The customer will be prompted to open the quote with a link that has a customizable label. Lastly, you'll be able to add a closing statement to your email under the email signature and add a custom footer for the email. Once you think you have the email set up the way you'd like, you can save the template and send yourself a test email to see what it will look like. You can edit the template for invoices and invoice reminders the same way as the quote template. To configure your email automation, scroll up to the top of the page to select what emails you'd like to automate and when. Within account settings, you will find your language and currency defaults. Depending on your CRM, the currency on your invoices will typically match the currency on your deals. In account details, you can edit your account and company info. These fields are available to use on your quotes and invoices. Under Manage Team, you can add additional users. You can have as many users as you would like, but only one user can have full admin access. The Billing section is where you can upgrade your Paycove plan. This page also has helpful links for pricing and support. If you're on the Paycove Starter plan, you can upgrade to either the Professional or Business plan to have the ability to use multiple templates, which you can choose from under Save Templates. Just click Create New in the top corner to start making your new template. Once created, you'll be able to assign deals to templates or set a template as your default. You also have the option to take advantage of our pre-translated templates for English, German, French, and Spanish-speaking customers. To give your quotes and invoices a personal touch of your business, Paycove allows you to add your own company logo and colors to your templates. For color options, you can choose from our own selection of themes or add your own custom color value. Click here to add a picture of your logo. Paycove allows you to customize the quote and invoice numbers by adding a number precursor and picking a specific number to start your invoices and quotes. If you'd like, you can choose to use the CRM's deal name as the quote or invoice number. All other sections of your template have the ability to pull specific data from your CRM to generate on your quotes and invoices. Simply click Edit next to any section to start adding content. Paycove supports liquid syntax to use your deals information from your CRM. You'll see there's fields for deals, contacts, organizations, owners, and quote forms. Paycove can also pull in any custom fields you have created in your CRM and can be found at the bottom of your template variables. Simply copy and paste a field into your template to have the information generate. You can rename any section label or even delete a whole section by leaving it blank. If you'd like to customize your template any further, Paycove also supports Markdown syntax. Just like section labels, you can rename the button that accepts or denies a quote and the button to pay an invoice. On the right side of your template editor, you'll find your e-signature settings where you can enable the option to require your customers to leave a digital signature in order to accept a quote. In these settings, you can customize the messages asking for an e-signature, choose to add a checkbox agreeing to the quote, and even require a reason if your customer declines a quote. In the bottom right corner of the template, you can choose to assign a specific Stripe or Xero account and configure those integration-specific settings. Scheduling payments in Paycove allows you to split the total invoice amount into separate payments for a customer to pay at a selected time. On the right side of the template, or near the top of the invoice, you will find the option to schedule payments. This feature can be used when accepting down payments or following payment plans for larger purchases. Here, you can choose the number of payments, the payment amounts, and the payment dates. You can also choose if you want a recurring payment to autobill, and if you would like customers to be able to pay their own invoices online. If you enable auto billing, your customer's payment information will be stored after they make the first payment, and they will be automatically charged for each subsequent payment. If you open the invoice, you can see all of the future payments listed on the invoice. Edit Payments will lead you back to the payment scheduler to make any changes to payments. You will still be able to edit the payment scheduled after individual payments have been made, but not once the overall invoice has been marked as paid. You can add or delete as many payments as you want, as long as the sum of the payments equals the invoice total. When your customer views the web version of their invoice, they will see a pay option by each payment along with the payment's due date. To set an invoice's due date without scheduled payments, go to the right side of the invoice. Choose a specific number of days after an action or point of reference. In a similar way, you can also set due dates on templates to be applied to multiple invoices. When you create a deal using products in your CRM, Paycove syncs those products and their information to be used in quotes and invoices. If you are using HubSpot and wish to use HubSpot products, be sure to check Enable HubSpot Products in your CRM settings. If you're on Pipedrive, CRM products are automatically enabled. You can go to Products in Paycove to import your CRM products. You will see all your products listed here with the most recent at the top. On this page, you can also set product-specific taxes that will override your default tax rate, and you can sync your product with a Stripe plan to create a subscription. When you use products or subscriptions on a deal in your CRM, They will appear here on your quote or invoice. You can choose which fields you'd like to display on your products and subscriptions on both the deal and template level. Here, you can see how the customer would view their products on a quote. Paycove allows you the flexibility to adjust tax rates at the account, invoice, or product level. If you are using one tax rate for all of your invoices, set your default tax rate and default fee in your tax settings here. Tax amounts will be applied to a subtotal on quotes and invoices. If you need to apply different tax rates to different invoices, you can use a custom tax that will override the default tax rate. Scroll down to enable custom taxes. Custom taxes created in Paycove will then be available as a custom field value in the taxes settings on your CRM deal. Once added to your CRM deal, it will automatically be included within your quote or invoice to either the line item or subtotal. The activity section on a quote or invoice shows the activity of you or your customers. Anytime you create a quote, create an invoice, or mark an invoice as paid, your actions are recorded here with the user, date, and time. Paycove quotes and invoices are generated with a trackable URL. When a customer opens the web version of the invoice, it leads them to this URL. Then, Paycove can record the time and IP address where the document was viewed. This activity information can also be viewed within the deal on your CRM. At the bottom of the settings list, you can find a link to our support page. This page holds a wealth of information for commonly asked questions. If you have a more specific question or need to contact us directly, you can use the chat in the corner of your screen or send us an email. We offer a 14-day free trial for you to try out Paycove's many features and see how it can benefit your organization. Want to get started with a plan right away? All plans come with a customer support and 30-day money-back guarantee. For more help on utilizing Paycove's features, check out our articles and videos. Thanks for watching!